The advisor to the Lieutenant Governor UT Ladakh, Dr. Pawan Kotwal, convened a meeting to review the progress of schemes and works under the Vibrant Village program at the Civil Secretariat Leh. Nodal officer of the VVP, District Magistrate of Leh, Santosh Sukhdev, presented a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation highlighting the status of works under VVP. He apprised the meeting that out of 437 works with an estimated cost of rupees 1,278.99 crores submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs under VVP. 18 works have been approved with the approved cost of rupees 19.7 crore, comprising 12 works under the School Education Department under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, 5 works under the National Health Mission of Health Department, and 1 work under the Vibrant Village program. Chairman CCLHDC Kargil Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhun visited District Hospital Kargil and held a meeting with doctors and paramedical staff. The meeting was attended by Chief Medical Officer Kargil, Medical Superintendent District Hospital Kargil, consultants, medical officers, dental surgeons, supervisory staff and paramedical staff of hospital besides other concerned officials. CEC Dr. Jafar hailed the efforts of doctors and paramedical staff for the persistent efforts for smooth functioning of the hospital. He said this noble profession has many challenges in day-to-day life. The CC said as frontline service providers, it is their moral to serve people with sincerity and honesty. A skill enhancement training for the mass communication and journalism students of EJM College Leh and staff of DIPR Leh was organized by the Department of Information and Public Relations Leh UT Ladakh. Executive Councillor Information LHDC Leh Tenzin Chosfel was the chief guest on the occasion, and Administrative Secretary Information Vikram Singh Malik was also present during the inaugural session. Addressing the gathering, Executive Councillor Tenzin Chosfel said that Ladakh, after becoming a UT, has set up a new UT level mechanism in which the role of journalists has become significant. Highlighting the importance of documentation, he impressed upon the skill of good writing and urged the students to take advantage of such trainings to attain knowledge to be a good writer. He advised the students to do a lot of writing and equip themselves with relevant information and necessary skills to excel in the field of mass communication and journalism. Mrs. Kavita Bhalla, Zonal President, Army Wives Welfare Association, Fire and Fury Corps, visited Women Empowerment Center at Leh. During the visit, Zonal President AWWA was briefed on the weaving, tailoring and knitting training being conducted for dependent ladies of ex-servicemen and serving personnel, Veer Naris and widows of Ladakh under a MOU with Looms of Ladakh, a women cooperative organization. Zonal President AWWA interacted with the members of Center. She motivated them to further enhance their skills and become self-independent. Government Degree College Kargil successfully conducted the student council election for the academic session. The election was held for the positions of President, Vice President and General Secretary. For the presidential post, 3 candidates contested: Khatija Tamanna, 5th semester, Ehsan Ali, 3rd semester and Ali Abbas, 5th semester. The vice presidential post saw 2 candidates: Zahid Hussain, 5th semester and Muhammad, 1st semester. The position of General Secretary was uncontested, resulting in Mehboob Ali being declared the winner by default. As part of series of events, Department of Information and Public Relations Kargil organized a skill development workshop for journalists of Kargil district, which was attended by journalists and the media team of the department. Executive Councillor, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Cooperative, Forest and Wildlife Information LHDC Kargil, Engineer Panchok Tashi was the chief guest on the occasion, while Joint Director Information Ladakh Imtiaz Kachu was the guest of honor. DIPR Kargil had invited Aprajita Sharma, Assistant Editor, Mint Newspaper, and Dr. Ahmad Azim, Public Relation Officer, Jamia Millia Islamia University, as resource persons for the workshop assistant. Exhibition cum Cultural Officer DIPR Kargil, Muhammad Musa, Assistant Information Officer Anwar Ali Sarpa, Head Assistant Directorate of Information Ladakh Muhammad Ali, Translator Muhammad Hussain, Editor DIPR Kargil Mansoor Peer and others were present on the occasion.